start this public service announcement in association with the World Health Organization. Do you suffer from hay fever, blocked nose, or sneezing fits in the summer? You all must know just how disruptive this is for families. It makes going on holidays a real pain. How much of a problem is this? Here's some stats for you. Nasal allergies affect about 50 million people in the United States. In 2012, 17.6 million adults and 6.6 million children had hay fever. In 2010, Americans with nasal illnesses spent about $17.5 billion on health costs. That is half of the country of the DR Congo's annual GDR. What are we going to do about it? Well, we are proud to introduce the NOSHA Holiday Tours in association with the World Health Organization. This is a collection of holiday spots spread around the world in locations that help you to have an enjoyable holiday without the hassle of hay fever. Why are we doing it? Well, hay fever is a huge problem. Throughout Europe, the pollen season has been starting earlier, with more pollen being produced in nearly every single country except for Germany due to their amazing clean energy policy. This is a problem for many people visiting Europe and is a trend seen in many other continents as well. You may ask the question of why this is happening. In 2 words, climate change. In a study done by Zinska and Coalfield, they discovered that 2 factors that led to increases in pollen are increased temperature and increased CO2 levels. These 2 things are rapidly increasing even more due to the current climate change that we are experiencing. Thus, we can expect higher pollen levels in the near future. Another thing that affects pollen concentration is the altitude. Studies have shown that higher altitudes lead to lower pollen concentrations. Though we at NOSHA don't recommend you taking your kids to Mount Everest, that is one thing that would help you. Taking all this data into mind, we at NOSHA Industries have come up with a holiday package that are in many different worldwide locations, such as Sweden, and many hill stations, such as Missouri, which is a quaint little town high up in Himalayas. All of these places have some sort of natural factor that helps you lower your hay fever problem. As Missouri is very high up, it has lower pollen concentrations. Sweden is colder, and thus there are less trees that produce pollen in them. These are, however, just 2 places, and are many worldwide locations, such as the Rockies in America, or many other places in Europe. They all have excellent facilities, such as private pools, personal butlers, and excellent medical facilities in case you have any problems. And these will make your holidays peaceful and sneeze-free. We at NOSHA have also pledged to give 3/4 of our profits to the World Health Organization, so as to help facilitate research into asthma and other pollen-related illnesses. For as we are part of the same planet, we must promise to protect it. Spend your holidays with your families, not the sneezes. Thank you.